Every year, men's testosterone drops by 1% every single year. It's not just muscles, it's your energy, your drive, your focus. Most guys don't notice until life feels flat. 1 in 4 men under 30 already has low levels. The culprit? Lifestyle, stress, bad sleep, sugar, and hidden chemicals. Your day looks like this: coffee arrow, scroll arrow, crash arrow, repeat. Meanwhile, cortisol climbs, sleep drops, and T follows. This isn't just age, it's your body sending signals. Today, we'll expose what's secretly killing your T and show you how to rebuild it naturally. Let's get real. The first symptom most men miss is morning fatigue. You slept 8 hours, but you wake up at 15% battery. Next is brain fog, losing your train of thought mid-sentence. Your focus crashes after lunch, and motivation goes with it. Workouts feel heavier than they should. Strength stalls, mood swings show up. Calm 1 minute, irritated the next. You notice belly fat creeping in. Even if your weight barely changes, sleep gets lighter. You wake up at 3 a.m. for no reason. Libido dips. Not gone, just muted. If 3 or more of these feel familiar, your testosterone may be low. Let's expose the hidden killers, starting with chronic stress. Blue light at night and sleep debt push cortisol up and testosterone down. Ultra-processed sugar spikes insulin and chokes testosterone over time. Belly fat is an aromatase factory. It converts T into estrogen. Endocrine disruptors in plastics, BPA, phthalates, disrupt your hormones. Alcohol lowers sleep quality and suppresses T production. Being sedentary is silent sabotage. Long hours sitting signal low demand. But overtraining without recovery spikes cortisol and tanks T too. Nutrient gaps, especially zinc and vitamin D, limit T synthesis. Chronic inflammation blocks the anabolic signal. Late night heavy meals and alcohol wreck deep sleep. Goodbye morning, T bottom line, lower stress, better sleep, cleaner inputs, smarter training. That's how you protect your T. Here's the rebuild plan. Simple, science-backed, and doable starting today. Sleep like it matters. Aim for 7.5 to 8.5 hours. Same schedule, dark room, cool room. Get morning sunlight to set your clock and support vitamin D. A cofactor for testosterone. Lift heavy with compound moves 3 times per week. Squats, deadlifts, presses. Quality over volume. On off days, raise NE80, 8 to 10,000 steps. A short walk after meals blunts glucose spikes. Eat protein first with healthy fats, and cut ultra-processed sugar. Aim 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilo of body weight. Fill micronutrient gaps, zinc, magnesium, vitamin D3 with K2. Don't megadose, just cover the basics. Manage stress daily. 5 minutes of slow breathing or a walk beats doom scrolling. Limit alcohol. Your sleep wins. And your morning tea thanks you. Ditch plastics for hot food and drinks. Use glass and stainless. Build a wind down. Lights low, screens off, bed by 10 to 11. Stack these habits for 30 days, then check your morning testosterone. You'll feel the difference first. Rapid fire FAQs and myths. Let's clear the confusion fast. Myth: TRT is a magic fix. Truth: fix lifestyle first. TRT is for clinically low levels with symptoms, doctor supervised. How to test: morning 7 to 10 a.m. twice. Check total T, free T, SHBG, LH/FSH, and prolactin. Myth: more cardio raises T. Truth: excess endurance lowers T. Do strength plus zone 2, not marathons. Myth: soy kills testosterone. Evidence shows moderate whole soy is neutral for most men. What about flax? In moderation it looks neutral. Prioritize protein and fiber overall. Coffee: helpful for training and focus, but stop after 2 p.m. to protect sleep. Supplements: zinc, vitamin D, magnesium. Help if you're low. Ashwagandha has human data. Tribulus is mostly hype. Myth: cold plunges boost T long term. Great for mood and recovery. Testosterone changes are minimal. Alcohol: less is more. Sleep quality wins. So does morning testosterone. TRT caveats: it may lower fertility and can raise hematocrit. You need doctor monitoring. When to see a doctor: persistent symptoms plus low labs twice. Get professional guidance. Let's kickstart results in 7 days. Simple actions, big payoff. Day 1: sleep reset. Lights low, screens off, in bed by 10:30 p.m. Day 2: morning sunlight, 10 minutes outside, plus a short walk after breakfast. Day 3: protein first. Target 1.6 to 2 grams per kilo. Cut liquid sugar. Day 4: lift heavy, compounds. 3x5 on squats and presses. Quality over volume. Day 5: neat push, 8 to 10,000 steps. A walk after lunch. Day 6: stress off ramp, 5 minutes of slow breathing. Day 7: plastics audit. Use glass or steel for anything hot. Optional stack: zinc, vitamin D3/K2, magnesium if you're low. Training split: 3 lift days, 2 zone 2 days, 2 lighter steps. Fuel window: 3 meals, no late snacks. Last bite 3 hours before bed. Do this for 7 days, then keep rolling for 30. Your morning testosterone will thank you. If this hits home, you're not broken, you're under-recovered. Fix sleep, lower stress, lift smart, and eat protein first. In 7 days, you'll feel more energy. In 30, you'll see numbers move. Want the printable checklist and a macro calculator? Tap subscribe. Next video is the 10-minute night routine for testosterone. Comment your biggest roadblock. I'll cover it in a follow-up. Share this with a friend who's been running on empty. Remember, small wins, stacked daily, change your hormones. I'm your coach for this series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Let's rebuild naturally.